Copying an object in AutoCAD to the same location but different layer. Select Object. Type CO. Arrow down to copy to layer. Enter, enter. Arrow down to layer. Enter. Type 0, 0, 0. Enter. Or just hit enter, enter. Also feel free to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Press Escape to exit the command. Press Spacebar if you want to repeat the command. If you find my videos helpful and would like to support me, you can by donating on Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below. I appreciate your views and support. Thank you.